Our power just went out. You can't even. Allison just saw all the lights in all of like Greenwich Village go out. Oh my god.
It's dark up to Houston.
It's actually starting to get a little scary now.
This is in the apocalypse.
There's like people being evacuated via boat. Putting the lantern down. Keep going, just keep walking.
See how dangerous it is to cross the street right now.
All systems go. The sun hasn't died. Deep in my bones, straight from inside.